question that I get very often is, I'm eating clean, I'm eating healthy, I haven't changed anything in my nutrition, and yet I gained 10 kilos, I gained 20 pounds. What is happening? Usually, when you can't explain weight gain, the answer is hormonal imbalance. We have different chemicals, different hormones. They work as messengers. They set the rules of our metabolism. They tell your body what it's going to do with the food that you eat. It's going to burn for energy, it's going to store as fat. If you have a hormonal imbalance, the rules of your body are also in imbalance. Your body doesn't know what to do with the food that you eat, and then you can start gaining weight without knowing why. And when people have that, usually they think of medication, or they think, what is the type of food that I should quit eating? And the main answer is that a hormonal imbalance is not only affected by the food that you eat, it is affected by also when you eat, how you eat, but also by your exercise and the lack thereof, also by your emotions. The amount and quality of sleep is a whole connection of lifestyle factors. A hormonal imbalance is caused by an imbalance in your lifestyle. So if you want to bring your body back to balance, it's not about what you eat and what you avoid to eat. Think about what areas of your lifestyle are in imbalance and what areas of your life you need to bring back to harmony. So here's a question for you. What is something in your lifestyle right now that you think is out of balance? It could be food, it could be exercise, but it could be relationships, it could be stress, it could be working hours, it could be sleep, it could be emotions. Let me know top one area of imbalance in your lifestyle in the comments, and you know exactly where the first step is to bring your body to hormonal balance.